come on, this would be perfect. Yeah. You haven't chased that much with Andy, I guess. It's getting tight there in the center.
You guys think it's going to drop?
I don't know, it's tightening up there in the center.
How far away do you think that is?
Not far.
We're from Missouri, so we've never seen anything like this.
Same here.
Where from?
Carthage?
We're from Springfield.
Oh, yeah.
That's cool.
He's from Pittsburgh, so he's not.
Dylan, hey, video, Dylan. Dylan, video.
Boys, I think it may be coming down.
Video it coming down, Dylan. It might drop. Hey, Dylan, just shoot video from here on out. It's dropping. Nice thing is we got a good view to the west here too. If it drops, you know, shoot it for about till dark. Oh man, you got it, Dylan? No, don't look at. Hey, don't look at the jagged one. This one right here is the one that might drop.
Yeah, I know.
You shooting video or pictures? All right, cool. We got a couple miles here to the west too.
I know. That's a sad thing. Ooh, it could be. Do you see that dust? Dust. Yeah. It's on the ground.
Where's it on the ground?
Right there, right in front of us.
Wow.
That is on the ground.
How far do you think it is?
Not far. Look at that dust.
1,000 yards?
Moving straight east, isn't it?
So stinking close, I can't even get a good shot of it.
Crazy. I should have brought more wide.
Don't let
Yeah.
it drive south. Hey, don't let.
Dylan, come get this vid. Dylan. Hey, Dylan.
Oh, Tyler.
Holy crap.
Dylan, pick me up if you need to. Shoot video.
No, don't go farther south, dude. Chill.
Hey, come shoot video, Dylan.
Woo. Hey, hey.
Hey, Dylan, will you take a few
Are you
pictures?
videoing this?
Yeah.
Let's go drive up to it. Jordan! Where's Jordan? Right here. Let's go.
Dylan, get ready.
I'm not moving. All right, camera's in. Hey, Christian, you better come back. If it starts raining, you're going to get your camera wet. One more photo. Holy cow.
Here it comes.
Dylan, coming down! Woo!
There it is. There's the condensation funnel. I've got it.
Go ahead, 626. Do we have any idea how large this is right now? What I need to be looking for?